Man, what up, YouTube? We is back off in this thing with another one.
Dark green is saying 1 gram, dark blue is saying 2 grams.
Yeah, I got that thing in the house. I think what's the name that? I'm gonna show y'all that in a minute, man. I got a fan.
Ground side of fan relay 1, ground side of fan relay 2. So these are ground wires, I guess?
Yeah, it got a ground trigger, but when you hook it up through the what's the name, it's supposed to work like it's supposed to. I got a brand new fan relay harness, basically. Shout out to Willie Rebuild on that, man. Y'all check his channel. He drop a lot of free game. I just come across it. I heard his name in some of Perch videos, and I typed in because I was finna try to do the whole get some relays and, you know, find the trigger wire and this, that, and the other. But, man, I came across a Willie Rebuild video, man, and it's a damn pre-wired kit, dog. Put the 2 wires up, ground it, hook your fans up, program it in the computer, out the door, gone. Like $75. I'm gonna show y'all that in a minute. I don't think it's cold out here. We probably ain't messing with this shit today. But it was time for it, y'all, because came out here to crank the whip up. This is my fuse adder, what I had my fans on. Come out here and turn the key, add the key. I said, hey man, no fans on? Nope. Car crunk up fine. Went off like it's supposed to. So shout out to everybody saying, hey man, take them damn fans off the switch now. Take them off. That's why your car ain't cutting off. Y'all was right. And let y'all have that. Now y'all was right. I did listen. Y'all was right. We said we was gonna get it right. That's the purpose of this video. We're trying to get it right. So yeah, turn the key. That bit cutting off like it's supposed to cut off. So we about to get these fans corrected. Yeah, man, I went down there to check, man. That wire was, it was time. It was time to get them off of there. Because that wire was done. It was toasted. So yeah, I'm gonna go on high, man, and I'll show y'all this relay harness that I ordered from ICT, man. It's a neat little, and it's so simplified. So we're gonna take that paper in the house. We're gonna match some things up. We also going to move the OBD port. We're gonna move it to the inside of the car. That way I can plug up, and if we want to scan it, you know what I'm saying, I can put the laptop on the inside of the car. We ain't got no wire going from under the hood, you know, through the window. It's cold out here. Nobody want to have the window down trying to read no laptop, you feel me? So, and it's a lot neater, and that's how it's supposed to be. And y'all know when it comes to that, I think the Dakota Digital, I think it actually used the OBD port, if I'm not mistaken. Y'all tap in with me, but I think it used it.
I ain't know that.
Yeah, I want to say it used it. You can get a wire for it. That way you ain't got to.
Y'all please don't go in.
Yeah, don't grill us if I'm wrong. I'm wrong. Cool, but I want to say I seen it in Ike where he plugged his up. That's how you can see. You know, like I think it uses, the only thing you might mainly have to hook up is the signal lights.
Yeah, because the computer ain't got.
But yeah, but I think you can read everything with a Dakota off the OBD.
I don't know what kind of dash I'm going with.
I know I'm going Dakota all day.
I think I'm actually going to get a Holly. Just because it's going to be the easiest to hook up with my.
With your setup that you're trying to do.
It'll read everything. I'm probably get the 6-inch though.
Mm-hmm.
It's like 800, I think.
Yeah. But yeah, man, that's what we got going, man. We're going to get these fans wired correctly. What you got, gang?
The handheld going to be used for the longest as possible as my dash.
Yeah.
And I'm going to just have my speedometer on my phone.
On God.
That handheld will tell you everything you need to know.
Yes, sir. Right.
I don't even know how fast I'm going. I got it on my phone.
Yeah.
All I need to know is my oil pressure.
Mm-hmm.
My temperature.
There you go. But yeah, man, so that's what we got going. We'll fade back in a minute, man. I'll show y'all this little part that I got that I ordered. All right. You rolling?
Yep.
All right. So, like I say, gang, this is what I ordered. Like I say, watching I got Willie Rebuild, man. A simple kit. It's all the work pretty much done for you, man. Got fan 1 and fan 2. follow along, all you do is add your ground, you know, these power wires. So, you know, you add your ground there, ground it up under the car. I'm probably gonna use that ground, you know, the ones where the headlights at, off the harness, the 2 bolts on each side. I might use that for these, to ground that. You got fuses.
I actually took that top off.
Did you?
Yeah.
Because I couldn't figure out how to do it.
Let me see it.
Cause yeah, I just want to show. Yeah, you got
Mini fuses,
and you got 2 relays right there, gang.
It's a good suction too. It's real. It feels very high quality.
It's from current performance wiring. I just typed in current performance. Like I say on Willie Rebuild channel, he said it was $75, right? So when I first typed it in, everyone that was coming up with like a Honda this, Honda that. With ICT, $75. So I said, yeah, same one there. So that go to the fans. You got your main power wire.
That thing thick too.
Going to your battery, which you're gonna run that straight to the battery. Fans, and this actually hooked to fan wires on the computer.
Oh yeah, that is. Yeah,
so that's why I'm telling you, they should be the same.
Yeah, it's blue and green.
Reason I bought it, man, cause everything same color, y'all.
Dark blue, dark green, fan 1, fan 2. Yep.
And it's labeled.
Fan 1 is green.
Fan 2 blue, dark blue.
Yep.
So yeah, man, make it real simple for you. You know what I'm saying? You trying to do them fans off the computer. I mean, that's simplicity at its finest. So we're gonna get to that probably tomorrow. We ain't doing nothing today. It's cold. I'm chilling. So yeah, we're gonna he'll find somewhere nice and pretty to mount this up. Y'all know neatness is a must around here. So it's gonna be pretty up under there. Best believe that.
Yeah, y'all. I guess we'll fade back tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll fade back to y'all tomorrow, man. We're gonna get this installed, and I gotta probably plug up and make sure I got my fans activated. But I might go activate them today, and then I gotta do nothing but write it to the car tomorrow.
Yeah, and hopefully our parts come in.
Yeah, man, we still waiting on all these goddamn parts, gang. We got so much shit out there that ain't showed up yet. Like, I know it's holiday, but goddamn, FedEx, UPS, man, tighten up. We got some dope Malibu footage that we want to drop, but we waiting on the shit, man.
Yeah. I got a line, and finally that came in there, and that didn't even say it was out for delivery.
Yeah.
It still says it's in Mapleton. But I got the line, so I gotta run turbo drains, turbo feed. Ain't no telling when them V-bands gonna get, but I can still put the turbo on because I got a V-band still, so I can still run my line.
Yeah. But yeah, man, we got some dope.
And I got all the pulley stuff, the belt too.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but that belt, that's just a good thing. If you can put a belt on, you know, you getting there. You getting something.
Close. You get them.
Yeah. So, dope footage coming.
Yeah, man. It's
be
coming,
patient
man.
with
It's on
us.
the way. Y'all be patient with us, man. We dealing with, you know, shipping, man. Holidays. It is what it is. When we get it, though, y'all know it's coming. But tomorrow, we're going to get back to getting these fans hooked up properly. Get that squared away, man. And on to the next.
The next day.
Man, what up, YouTube? It's the next date out here. It's about about 3 o'clock, 3:30, somewhere around there. Put that thing in the sun so we can mess with it, man. see that. Cause the fan cutting all right. Go in the house and get these parts. Try to get everything we need. We can get to it. We gonna move the what's the name on in the inside of the car. That you hopefully move that, mount it up under the dash somewhere. And then I'm gonna figure out a spot to wire this in. Honestly, all you gotta do is
I can tell difference in these colors.
Yeah, those easy. It's just the ground. Like really, if you want to put tape on one of the grounds and cut through the tape, that way you'll know exactly. You know what I'm saying? That way it'll be wired back up exactly how it's supposed to be.
Exactly how it was.
Yeah. So we'll just do it like that. Y'all see, man, we can't get that. I got a little hole back there, but the plug up piece ain't gonna fit through it, so we're gonna cut it, slide it through to the inside of the car, mount it. Because I do gotta plug up to it and program the fan. So we'll fade back.
You worrying about this being took off?
Nah, I ain't worried about that. We know what it is. And then once it's on the inside of the car, it is what it is. All right, y'all. You rolling, man. That way you can tell them what you're doing. I'm gonna go find it.
Cutting this right here. I marked that one ground so I know what ground go back to which one. And then the whites are slightly different colors. One is off-white, one is white. When I cut into it, I heard a little, like, click almost.
What you mean? Like some fire?
Yeah.
I mean, it might have fire to it constantly longer the battery hooked up.
I was making sure that if anything, it could have blew a fuse. I don't think that.
I doubt it. But it probably would have been best if we went on and unplugged the battery.
Yeah.
Since we're messing with that.
You want me to take this thing in time lapse? Yeah. Alright, y'all, we're going to time.
All right, y'all. Kid already got the OBD moved to the inside. Now he's sizing this up, trying to see how he want to do it. Yeah, that's fans to the inside of the car. Well, to the.
So this go to you.
Yeah, that go to that section of wire over there.
Accessory wire?
Yeah, that go to the accessories.
Okay.
And the thicker ones, they actually go to the fan. Power wire go to the battery.
So this to the battery.
Yeah.
This is to the fan 1 and fan 2.
Yeah, we gotta add the grounds to it and ground it.
All right.
If that makes sense to you. I know I showed it to you.
It makes sense.
Yeah.
I think this is loop on the car. That's why it's so long.
Well, I seen the other dude. He had it. You know what though?
Side.
He actually they make it longer for you, but you can cut it down.
Okay.
Now how you want it.
We'll do that because we're not on the outside. It's gonna have to be cut down.
I'm just thinking long run. You know, we're gonna have Dakota in there, and we got that car alarm. So I'm just trying to think of what all gonna be on the inside. That's what I'm thinking. Let's put that on the outside. But I mean, what you think?
I mean, Dakota, it's only one spot to dash.
You got that little black box, I know.
Yeah.
But most people be putting that.
That's gonna be up top, right?
I think. Who I seen do that? I want to say I seen somebody drop theirs in like in the top of the dash. But you know, shit, you my wife, man. I just get out the way sometime. So however you want to hook it up, I'm cool with it.
I seen these two bolts, and I was like, I wonder where the line up there, but it's a little too small. I'm pretty sure you don't want to see it right now.
Nah, then it gonna be all seen. Let's see, I was thinking originally, you know, when I was gonna do my own relays, I was gonna actually put it, you know, over in this empty area over here. And this box side, so I'm just think.
Like something right here.
Or yeah, it don't matter if it. Something like that is cool. Or just in this, you know, I was thinking somewhere over in here, basically. Because it's open.
Yeah.
And you know, you can route your wire. Like I say, you can go back over there with the power wire. It can go, you know, across there. And then you got your fans and the accessory go back there right here. So I say you can cut that down.
Okay, the fan.
We fade back, y'all. We regroup it. You know what y'all? So we was found a spot over there, man. Keep getting to it. Kind of show y'all what's going on. Open spot over there that he found.
Need a washer.
Need a washer?
Yeah.
I don't know if there's none in there. It's a little box in there. Got nuts and bolts. We got some somewhere. Hold on, y'all. We're gonna fade back. Look at that. Shit dirty, but shit clean though. y'all.
So I guess to make sure the fan come on, we have to let the car run.
Yeah, it's gonna have to get the temp. So y'all see, he mounted it down now, man. Well, I got a program first too.
Yeah, that red, I was thinking too, that red wire for some reason with the fuel pump.
Nah, I got one, but I gave you the fuel pump is over that way somewhere. But I don't think I take them together. The fuel pump come off the relay harness though. The fans, them the only thing that was direct, straight off in there. All right, y'all, we're gonna fade back in the time lapse. We're gonna clean it up. Getting this wiring together, man. All right, y'all, I'm coming out of time lapse for a second, man. Y'all see, we still wiring up.
I didn't zip tie too bad.
Got the ground zip tie.
Yeah.
All right, I'll run in and get you some. I'll leave him rolling for a second. Fuse in here. Still got to put a fuse back in that spot.
The spot you at, I got an adder in.
Yeah, that fuse actually supposed to be for the trunk popper, even though it ain't working. But
yeah,
I'm still gonna put a fuse there.
I remember that day I was trying to figure out how to make it work.
Yeah. All right, y'all. Like I say, man, he rolling. We always try to get y'all some angles. We got 1 and 2, light blue, dark blue. We're doing the grounds now. Then all we got left is wiring over into the accessory wires, which is bundled up over there. Then we gonna neaten it up, relume it, clean it up, make sure it's nice and neat. I'm gonna show you that when we get all the way dialed in. Then I gotta write it to the car and we gotta test it. Yeah, cause I got a 160 thermostat on here, so I programmed the computer for that thermostat. So yeah. All right, YouTube. We almost got done, man. We got like a couple more wires and some cleanup to do.
Yeah, I got 2 more wires. The wires into the extra wires on the computer.
But it done got cold out here, Jack. Y'all hear me? So we finna call this shit a day. We done lost the sun as you see. And once you lose that, it's a little nippy, man. Yeah. So we're just gonna fire this thing back up. Pull it back up under there. Damn, I ain't put my intake back on. It'll be alright. Yeah, gang, it's goddamn, man, it's cold out here. Shit. Something going on with that starter, man. Something going on with that starter, though.
Starter?
Yeah.
Want to pull it up?
Yeah, pull it up. Crank it back up.
I see what you're talking about.
It's like it sounds like it went in,
Yeah.
kicked back, and then called.
It almost sounds like I'm letting go in the ignition too fast, but I'm not.
Yeah, do it one more time. It did right then. I don't know. Something just sounds a little weird. I'm gonna check it. And if it is, I'll just get another one.
Leave the laptop right there.
Nah, bring it in the house. I don't like to leave it out here. You can leave that what's the name out there. But yeah, all we gotta do a couple more wires, man, and write it. Like I say.
Literally only a couple.
Yeah.
Who knows?
But boy, I tell y'all, it's cold out there, big game.
Should have came a tad earlier.
Yeah. But we were tired, shit.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I've been in bed chilling all day.
Yeah. So good that we got that. So
You ordered me some lower control lunch too?
Huh?
You ordered me some too, didn't you?
Nah, man. Nah, bro. Not this time, gang.
Break bread.
Huh?
I'm playing.
I did break bread.
Nah, he broke bread.
What you bought? It ain't got here yet.
ICT accessory bracket kit.
Mm-hmm.
I had to file a claim and get a new one.
Yeah, man. We don't know what's going on with something, gang.
So hopefully it ship off the market. It say it's gonna either ship Monday or Thursday.
All right.
So hopefully it ship Monday, and I get my my tracking number.
Gotcha. But yeah, man, we'll get back to this. Kid gonna finish it up tomorrow, man. And then, like I say, I gotta write it, and then we gotta test it, and all will be well.
Yep.
But we gone for right now.
Yeah.
We'll fade back to y'all tomorrow.
Yep.
The next day.
All right, y'all. It's the next day, and I'm finna hook the two wires up to the wires coming from the computer, and then I'm gonna hook the power wire up. So yeah, I'll put y'all on time lapse now. All right, y'all. Connected fan 1 and fan 2 together. Got it right here. It ain't all the way neat yet. I might just let them test it first before I neaten up everything, because I done neatened stuff up before and it didn't work like it was supposed to, and then I had to redo everything. So yeah, I just let him do that first. Something I like.
Yeah. Alright, YouTube. What up? It's dark 30, man. Dark 30 done caught us.
I forgot you ain't even gotta be out here to do it, man.
What that?
Hook your computer up.
Nah. Like I said, I don't know if y'all seen that, man. Kid got the we talked about it. But yeah, where it at? Where it at? Right there. You looking at it. OBD on the inside now.
Close my door. Just sit in here while you do it.
So yeah, we're gonna get that right there, gang. Cause it's cold out this bitch. Leave that light on.
I'll handle it.
I'll show you what to do.
I'm playing with it.
Oh man, don't be bitching now. Don't turn into no bitch, man. You scared of the laptop.
I like the mechanical side. You don't gotta do that, just push it in there. That's what I did a little earlier.
Yeah. You were picking on me and my goddamn house. I said, nigga, your house finally growing. Said that front door used to be way up here. I'm like, boy, that's some bullshit. Oh, the back speaker work?
I guess so.
God dang. Turn that shit down before we get copyrighted.
Bro, that's some real old school.
That's old school Christmas music, huh?
That's a vibe.
The thing said, that's
Imagine you with your girl, you in the 2 though.
Hey.
You got old school Christmas playing. And you really just got took back in time. That felt like I was back in time.
Yeah. For real. Alright, gang. So we going to the motherfucking editor. Not the scanner, the editor. I'm gonna show y'all what I did. I got a 160-degree thermostat in here. So, for people that don't know, you trying to program your fan, you want to go to systems. I don't know if y'all can see that, but if you can, you can.
Yeah.
So you go in the systems, basically. You got fan 1 over here and fan 2 over here. So I got a 160-degree thermostat, so I set it to 165, off at 163. Fan 2 kick in when you hit 175, off at 163. So that's already saved. So I'm just gonna minimize that. Well, I can actually exit out. So I'm going to, let me go connect to my vehicle first. Make sure I'm connected. Well, I know how to find out. I can mess with this shit in a minute, boy. You tripping.
So where this stuff set, alright?
Mm-hmm.
If your motor ain't at 163, you turn the car off. The fan will still be on?
Like, say for instance, you driving hard one day, and then you get it to the house and say that bitch way up to, 190. Even when you cut the car off, the fan technically should still be on to cool the engine down. So yeah, I'm just writing this little fan change.
What it though if it ain't got no power to the computer?
No, the computer always got power to it. That's what I was telling you.
Oh, without the switch?
Yeah, even with it on, like you can test the wires. It still got some fire going to it. Now I could be wrong, but I know some new cars, like I done seen people drive cars hard, cut the car off, and you might fan to be running for a minute.
Yeah, I seen that before. I was just thinking it probably wouldn't do that unless the key switched over.
Alright. Vehicle power not detected. Close it for a second. I don't think I'm plugged all the way in.
We'll fade back to y'all in a minute.
Yeah. Hold on, it's still giving me that. No power detected. So
Alright.
disconnect.
The issue that we had blow fuse. When
Yeah,
I cut that, what they call it? OD what? OBD.
2.
Yeah, when I cut it and reconnected it,
Yesterday, he heard it when he
I heard a pop like a fuse.
That's it in the video.
Yeah.
You said, Dad, I heard something go.
Then did I say something was blow?
Yeah, you said I heard something go pop. And I was like, might be a fuse. My blind ass didn't see it yesterday. Alright, so we made a little fan change. I showed him that, right?
Yeah.
And so now we go up here to flash. Then we go right to vehicle. All that there pop up. And then we go right. And all this is writing that little one change we made to the fans. Cause I ain't changed shit in that tune.
Yeah.
Hell no. We ain't fuck with no VE table. None of that shit. So after this, right?
Get messed with if it's Paul touching it.
Yeah. I'm gonna crank it back up. And then too, I'm gonna run these numbers by Paul too, just to see if he agree with them fan numbers. And if he want me to change them, I'll change them too.
I almost said what the word?
It always do that. It make them relay click.
I was gonna say if
So
any number is better than what we had it at.
Yeah. So we can close it now. Right, complete. So now I'm gonna minimize the editor. Go back to the scanner. I don't know why I got 2 of them up. Let's go to this one. We go connect the vehicle.
I don't know how much people be charging just to write stuff to vehicles.
Probably be pimping folks, boy. That's why I said, that's why I wanted to do this, so I have, the little shit.
Is that your dry shot that feel like that?
What?
That little vibration.
No, drive shaft ain't turning right now. I don't think.
I'm tweaking.
What's that goddamn inch?
I'm tweaking. I don't know.
We had that right, the power, and then had to mess with that. That throttle body?
Yeah.
It's still the same.
Go on the camera. Go on the camera real quick. I'm finna go look at something. Oh yeah, you're right. My dry shot on turn T, put it in reverse.
Man, that man tweaking today, bro.
I know I sound dumb right now, y'all. Because it's so low, I can't even see the dry shot.
It ain't turning, bro. Man said the dry shot turning, bro.
I'm thinking of a dry shot. They don't turn to the car moving.
Yeah.
And I know that because I done rolled my car and seen my thing moving in the rear end. That was a high moment.
It's all good.
Oh, you only idling. That's what we idling at. Now we see.
What?
1,000.
Yeah.
Are those numbers zeroing out anymore?
Nah, they right there. That's still where we had it at.
Okay.
Alright, y'all. We basically just trying to let it get up to temp to see if this fan gonna kick on like it's supposed to. Right now it's at 115 degrees.
I ain't know if we're doing it today. Might as well.
I mean, I might as well. It's already running.
You have a ground wire in those too.
On what?
And all those extras. It's a black wire in there too.
Talking about in the accessories?
Yeah. You think that has to be hooked up?
I don't know.
I didn't know. I just looked up the green and blue.
Yeah.
But I don't know if that's a ground for all those power wires.
Yeah. All right, y'all. We're gonna fade back. We got it right, gang. Yeah. Alright, man, we cut this motherfucker off. I'm going in the house. I'm cold. Yeah, YouTube. Yeah, y'all hear it. And she cut out right. We're gonna, man, I'm gonna finish talking in the house. It's cold.
Recording.
Roll.
Yeah.
Yeah, we low key in the background trying to figure out a color for this Malibu, man. It's a ways off, but going back and forth with the box too. But yeah, man, we got the fans hooked up right, man. Kid did all the wiring. I just did a little computer programming. Gonna clean the wires up, but it is a done deal. It's working right. Fan number 1 clicked on. I got the trans cooler fan hooked into that as well. So I'm pretty sure too will click on, but it's too goddamn cold out there trying to get that temperature up, man.
Yeah.
That bitch probably wasn't gonna hit 175 once that first fan kicked on, so nah. She working like she's supposed to, man. I say don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, man. Turn the post notifications on. So you know when we drop another video, man. The giveaway coming right around the corner. Caption contest probably go up tomorrow, matter of fact. So y'all tune in to the Facebook and IG for the caption contest. You know you're gonna win a merch package. I think that's it. I think that's all. Yeah, we done showed it all. So yeah, we gone about that bit, man.
All right, y'all.